guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have IPSY bags. These are the mystery bags that they came out with for Black Friday. Do you want to know what's inside of these and what these are all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so these 3 gold bags just arrived. These are from IPSY and these became available on Black Friday. And it said that they were valued at $55.20, but they sold them for $14 each. 3 per person is the limit of the maximum amount that one person can purchase. So I went ahead and got 3 because if these are all the same, then 2 of them will definitely go to one of you guys. If they are not the same, then some products are still probably gonna go to you guys. I don't know what's in them, if they're all the same or not, but we're gonna find out right now. So let's go ahead and just dive into one of them. No rhyme or reason, we'll just go ahead and get on into it. Like I said, I don't know if they're gonna be the same or not, but we're gonna find out. When you open it up, this is the bag. This is really pretty. I do like the silver and how it has a little shift of colors in there. And it does have the gold zipper on the top with the pull tab that says IPSY. And let's go ahead and dump these. Ooh, it's all hot pink inside that bag. So the inside of the bag is all hot pink. And the first item I am pulling out is this Jolie Luxe Cream Mattes. This maybe is like a lip product. Let's see. Yes, and I think this purple color looks so familiar right now. I think I might have this. Hold on. Okay, yes, that is the exact same one that I've already received, I believe, from IPSY. So I'm gonna just put this one right back in here. I'm not even gonna open it or swatch it because it's the same color. That is this, and there's already another product in here that I already have as well that I grabbed to show you. So here's my product. And I probably have never wore this. I probably swatched it the day of. And this is just a purple. And I don't really wear purple. I don't wear a whole lot of lip products in general. But this purplish color, I just haven't found the right look to wear with so far. But I do have this in my arsenal in case I ever do go with like a lavender purple color. I do have this. And this color is called Lavender. Looks like it says lavender, not lavender, lavender. So here is the first product right there. That's just gonna go set aside. Then the other product in here that I already have is this right here. This is by Pacifica. I'll show you the outside packaging. This is completely sealed on both sides, but here's the outside of the package, and then I will show you mine and swatch mine. So I'm gonna put this right back in here. This is what the actual product looks like. And this is the Bronzed Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. It's really cool. It does have a mirror on the back. I thought that was really neat to have a mirror on the bottom of the product. And then when you open it up and swatch it, there are the 2 colors right there, the blush and the bronzer. And then out of the packaging, there's that. So there's item number 2, both of them I already have. So let's just see, because if these are all the same, then I'm just gonna have 3 winners with this one. So let's just see here. The next one is by Suva Beauty, and this is an eyeshadow, like a single eyeshadow in the color Turmeric. Let's see what this color looks like. Whoa, okay. So that is like a goldish color, and you know your girl is not hip on this type of a color, goldish bronze. So this is just gonna go right back in its box as well. So there's that. We have Nomad Around the World, and this is a light infusion powder. There's the packaging, and then it's so tiny. Ooh, that is a really pretty like lavender color though, right there. So put this right back in the box. This is a light infusion powder. And it says it's a buttery, super blendable holographic illuminer in duochrome glow with multi-dimensional pearl finish, free from parabens. It's cruelty free. So that's awesome. It is a really pretty color, but I'd rather leave it in the package and just give somebody this whole entire thing if that's the case. The next thing here is R Plus Co Waterfall. This is a Moisture Plus Shine Lotion. So there's that guy. And then the last thing in here is by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is length and length and volume. And this looks like this would probably be a mascara. Yes, Extensions Mascara in the color Byron Rich Black. So here is a mascara. So that is everything that came in this bag. I'm gonna open the other two to see if they are the same or not, but we'll find out. So right now, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different products, because there's the other guy there, and this makeup bag. And it says that that's valued at $55. Me personally, I'm not really seeing a $55 value with these, with the sample like eyeshadows. This is obviously a full size. This is not. The blush and bronzer from Pacifica is a full size. I just kind of feel like, I don't know how they're valuing it at $54, but I'm gonna put everything right back in the bag. So there's number one. Let's go ahead and get into bag number two, and let's see if these are gonna be the same. Now we're gonna find out. Same bag, and it looks like everything is gonna be the same. Mascara. This is the Jolie. Let me see if it's gonna be the same lavender color. Yep, it's the same lavender color. There's the same lotion, the same Nomad product, and this is in turmeric, the same eyeshadow palette here, or palette, the same eyeshadow single, and then the same bronzed rose, the bronzer and blush duo. Okay, so there's bag number two. So it looks like everything's gonna be the same. Let me look in here. Everything looks the same so far as well. Lotion, turmeric, mascara. Yes. Let's double check. I'm sure this is going to be the same. Yes, lavender color. And the same, yep, bronze rose palette. So everything in here is they're all the same. I mean, I guess that's good for you guys, because now I'm gonna give away all three of these. So if you guys are interested in receiving one of these bags, then I'm gonna have 3 winners in this video right now. So if you would like to be one of the 3 that would win one of these bags, then here is how. So number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do when I do, so I could give back to you that is actually positively here supporting me on my channel. You must like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and you must leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, let me know, what is your favorite thing about this time of year? Is it the holidays? Is it that the year is almost over? Is it New Year resolutions? Is it New Year's? Let me know what this time of year is most exciting to you, and then I will use a random comment picker. I don't want to say the wrong word. I will use a random comment picker in 3 weeks, and I will go ahead and have that choose 3 different comments, and 3 different comments would have to have what you're most excited about with this time of year. And if you do, then I will go ahead and comment back to your comment. You will have 48 hours to respond back to me, or a new winner will be chosen. Same rules for the new winner. You must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you, and you must have a United States address for me to ship these to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping them to a United States residents to cut down on shipping fees for me. I did pay for all these, and I'm going to be paying for shipping now to ship to you guys. So I would like it to be in a United States address to help me out. Now, if you would like to leave me an email or your Instagram handle or a Facebook handle for me to get in contact with you if you do not get the notification, please leave that in the comment. Don't leave any information that you don't want the whole world to see, because anybody could see any of these videos on good old YouTube. But if you do leave your Instagram handle, please make sure you are following me, because if I do contact you, I could be put into the needs to be reviewed section and you won't even know that the message is there. So definitely check out my Instagram and follow me there. And that's where I do kind of let you guys know things that I'm going to be posting, or pictures of videos that I've done, that kind of thing. So if you do want to join me on my Instagram or my Facebook, that is all down below in the description box as well. So that is all, you guys. Must be subscribed. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know, what is your favorite part of this time of the year, being in December, the last month of the year. Let me know what your favorite thing is. You must be over the age of 18 and have a United States address to ship these to. You'll have 48 hours to confirm, or a new winner will be chosen. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules. It'll also have the end date, because I'm just saying 3 weeks from the time that I load. So I will have the exact end date in the description box so you can check that out. And whenever the random comment picker chooses these 3 winners, I will put congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm for all 3 winners. Once they have confirmed, I will put confirmed. Until it says confirmed, hold tight, because I may have to draw a new winner. And that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you, and you will be able to enter into this giveaway and all the other ones that I do have upcoming in the future on my channel. Don't subscribe to unsubscribe, because we do see that, and that does disqualify you as well. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of these mystery bags? Did you get one? Did you want to get one? Did you miss out? Because they are sold out now. They're completely sold out. And yeah, so these 3 are going to be going to new homes very soon. So thank you to every single one of you guys. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.